Lázaro engineers the Holothors. Haven Cubs animated short number 2. At the Haven Resurrection Dome, Doc Lázaro Santos engineers the Holothor version 1. This is Dr. Lázaro Santos conducting Holothor blank test Alpha 001. Holothor data analysis at 60%. Cold shell torso and head holding composition. Holothor rise and then return to same baseline. Excellent. DNA sampleizer bay contamination test. Perfect. Holothor turn left. Holothor turn right. Perfect. Final analysis is a successful test. And ready for test Alpha 002 in 48 hours pending data stabilization holding. Doc Lázaro Santos then saves his data and we end this animated short. The end.